Hi, and welcome to Market Conversations. Today is February 10th, and it's the last day of trading. I just want to talk about a few stocks, but one of them is Tesla. I missed out on Tesla. Unfortunately, I didn't have any money, and the stock rallied 100% since its low beginning of January. Wow, what a run Tesla had. Today was one of the red days it had in the last 2 months. It was down 5%. But if you bought options or even stocks beginning of January when it hit almost a low of 100, you'd be up 100%. Unfortunately, I didn't get in, but it's okay. Maybe there'll be more opportunities in the future. But again, it's still a good time to buy Tesla because Tesla was once a $350 stock, and Tesla has paid people millions of dollars. So I would just wait for a pullback or just dollar cost average into Tesla. So another stock I want to talk about is Bed Bath & Beyond. So we take a look at that stock, Bath & Beyond. We can see that it rallied up a few days ago, hit a high of $6, and then came right back down. And it's been on a decline for the last few days now. Today it was down almost 10%. It's closed at 235. The reason I want to talk about this stock because it has a very high short interest. These are all the high short interest stocks, and you can see Bed Bath & Beyond is the third one with 48.54%. It has 112.50 million floats, 117.30 million outstanding. And if we go down here, we can see that AMC is no longer at the top. It only has 22.96%. So I think the next big one for potentially a short squeeze is Bed Bath & Beyond. But I am not a financial advisor, so we go ahead and take a look at some of these articles here that we have going on. This was published today in the morning. It says Bed Bath & Beyond's unusual equity offering may have averted bankruptcy for the time being, but big challenges remain for the troubled retailer. So what caused this to go down? So it says here they're no longer going to file for bankruptcy, but they're going to raise over $1 million. So it says after the closing bell Tuesday, Bed Bath & Beyond said it closed the sale of a convertible preferred stock as well as warrants to purchase common shares and convertible preferred stock. The sometime meme stock Arlene raised about $225 million in sale and expecting to receive an additional $800 million in future installments. That's a lot of money. You can see that Key Bank Capital Markets Thomas believes that bankruptcy is still looming on the horizon for the retailer. While the offering has averted what was reportedly an imminent bankruptcy, we believe BBBY's fundamentals and cash burn rates still make a bankruptcy seem like the most likely outcome eventually. So hopefully retail investors will save Bed Bath & Beyond like they did with AMC. And if we take a look at some of these options, this is for March. So let's go ahead and open this up to 50 wide. So you can see open interest here, 23,000 for the 5 strike. So right now the stock is trading around 235, so people are expecting the stock to go to at least $5 or above. And today we can see the volumes 3,500 traded today, and we can see here even 6,966 for the 20 strike. Again, these are very dangerous, but hey, if there can be a short squeeze, you can make a lot of money, because I definitely missed out on a lot of the short squeeze stocks, especially AMC. Back in June, I actually did the opposite, so missed out on a lot of money. Instead, I lost a lot of money. So if you take a look further out, I would suggest if you're buying options, just go further out in expiration dates. In April, you can see here, for the 5 strike, we have 8,000. And right now, these are fairly cheap. They're going for 20 cents. You can see they're 20 cents right now. So not $20 for one contract. And you go possibly, let's see, August, These were going for, let's see, 42 cents bid. So actually not too bad. $37 for 5 strike, 42 for 450. Even a mini short squeeze like I did a couple days ago would definitely be beneficial, or hopefully we can get some of this. This was back in August, a short squeeze all the way to $30. That would be nice. So I think in the next few weeks, I'm going to go ahead and start a position in Bed Bath & Beyond. I will just invest just a small amount, not a lot, because I'm definitely trying to save up money. But I'll go ahead and do a small amount in Bed Bath & Beyond. So who wants to join me?